Rocks look like the most immovable things on Earth. But give them the right conditions, and even a massive boulder can suddenly move. The secret is simple. Rocks are constantly being pulled by gravity. Usually, friction and the surrounding ground hold them in place.
But if the slope becomes unstable, gravity can overcome that resistance. A rock can fall, slide, roll, or even trigger a landslide.
Water can make this easier. Heavy rain can weaken slopes, while flowing water slowly erodes the rock, holding them together. And once rock fragments reach a river, the moving water can carry them downstream, sometimes for hundreds of kilometers. Water can also freeze into something much more powerful, a glacier. Moving ice can carry enormous rocks as it slowly travels across the landscape. Then there are earthquakes. When the ground shakes, an unstable mountain slope can suddenly collapse. But here's the strange part. Not all rock movement happens in seconds. Some happens so slowly that you can't see it at all. Deep beneath us, enormous tectonic plates made of solid rock are also moving, typically only a few centimeters each year.
That sounds tiny, but over millions of years, those centimeters add up, building mountains, opening oceans, and triggering earthquakes.
So the rock beneath your feet may look completely still. But Earth is constantly breaking, moving, transporting, and rebuilding it. Rocks don't need to move on their own. Gravity, water, ice, earthquakes, and tectonic forces move them. The landscape only looks still because we watch it for such a short time.